To inspect and replace the air filter on your RZR Pro S or Pro XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface and ensure it is in park. On 2-passenger models, remove both seats by pulling up on the seat latch lever located under the front edge of the seat and tilting the seat forward and upward to remove. On 4-passenger models, press on the upper seat latch and lift up to remove the seat backs. Next, remove the upper access panel by turning the 4 quarter-turn latches and set aside. Before continuing, clean all dirt and debris from the airbox cover area. Then, unlatch the 5 airbox cover clips and carefully remove the airbox cover. Continue by inspecting the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Now, inspect the air filter and air box for dirt, debris, or water. Next, remove the filter by sliding the filter towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Inspect the filter for excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. With the filter removed, clean the intake tube and airbox thoroughly with a clean, dry cloth. Dirt or debris in the intake tube could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the intake tube before installing the filter. Next, reinstall the air filter if clean, or install a new filter if soiled, and ensure it is fully seated. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. The use of non-Polaris approved air filter may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Make sure there are no gaps between the filter, filter ring, and the stop on the intake tube. Then, reinstall the airbox cover and ensure the alignment tabs are properly positioned. Next, secure the 5 cover clips. Now, reinstall the upper access panel by pivoting around the seat harness and engaging the lower retaining tabs. Then, secure the 4 quarter-turn latches. On 2-passenger models, slide the seat tabs at the front edge onto the seat retainer tubes. Then, press down firmly at the rear of the seat to engage the rear latches. Ensure the seats are latched securely. On 4-passenger models, reinstall the seat backs by aligning the bottom alignment tabs and pushing down to fully engage. Then, push in on the seat back to engage the upper latch. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.